You're not bad with money. Nobody sat you down and taught you how it actually works. You just inherited a system that was never built for you, and you've been improvising ever since. Think about it. You learned algebra, you learned the water cycle, but no one ever taught you what a compounding interest rate actually does to your future, or why the same paycheck disappears every single month, no matter how careful you think you're being. So you started guessing. A budget app here, a finance influencer there, a vague promise to do better next month. Here's the part nobody tells you. Willpower was never the problem. Behavioral economists have shown, again and again, that people don't fail at money because they are weak. They fail because they are relying on discipline to fight a system built on friction. Every time you have to decide in the moment whether to save or spend, you're going to lose sometimes. That's not a character flaw. That's just how attention works. The people who seem effortlessly good with money didn't get more self-control. They just moved the decision earlier, before the moment of temptation ever showed up. So here's the first shift. The day you get paid, before you see the number, before you feel anything about it, move a fixed percentage straight into savings. 10% is a good place to start, not because it's a magic number, but because it removes the decision entirely. You're not relying on your future self to be disciplined. You're just making the disciplined choice the default one. Second, stop tracking every single coffee. It's exhausting, and it doesn't work long-term. Instead, split your money into just 3 buckets: needs, wants, and future. When a purchase doesn't fit cleanly into one, that's your answer. Simplicity isn't lazy. Simplicity is what actually survives a busy week. Third, check in once a week for 10 minutes. Not every day. Daily checking creates anxiety. Weekly checking creates awareness. There's a difference between watching your money and being ruled by it. None of this is about becoming a spreadsheet person. It's about building a system so quiet, so automatic, that being good with money stops requiring effort. The same way brushing your teeth stopped requiring a debate a long time ago. You were never bad with money. You were just never handed a system. Build one, a small one, an honest one, and let it carry the weight your willpower was never meant to carry alone.